Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. It's me Rabia Azam. How are you all? Hope so you will be fine and enjoying good health. Students, today I am going to discuss worksheet number 4 with you people, which is related to jumbled words. If we talk about jumbled words to find what are these, we come to know jumble is a word puzzle with a clue or rhyme illustrating the clue and set of words each of which is jumbled by scrambling its letters. A solver reconstructs the words and then rearrange letters or words at marked position. Here in this worksheet, some sentences are given which are in jumbled form. So firstly, we have to arrange them and then write a new meaningful sentence at marked position. For example, here in this worksheet, the first sentence words are in jumbled form and we have to rearrange these words to make a new meaningful sentence. The first sentence is, in view of science, the age live. So when we will arrange it, it will be like this. We live in the age of science. So rest of the sentences you will do with the same method. Now I am going to pronounce rest of the sentences. The second one sentence is that red gave baby apple a mother the her. Third, mouth too small his was. Fourth, didn't he teeth any and have. Fifth, on back the baby was lying. Sixth, the cat jumped the chair up black onto. Seventh, the was tree of full apples red. Eighth, Hima the garden was in. And the last one is, are what you doing. Hope so you will do easily and you will enjoy it. And I hope so it will enhance your knowledge. Thank you.